absolute, when to use this relative, and when to use fixed. For instance, sometimes I want to place these guys side by side, or sometimes I want to fix them. I want to push something absolutely. I want to push them relatively. Okay. So in that cases, I'll be using, I'll be deciding when to use what positioning. Okay, that is positioning. Now there is one more thing in positioning, the last one in positioning, okay, which is, any questions here? It's called Z index. Okay, Z index is a positive or a negative number. Exactly, if you want to keep something fixed, even if you're scrolling, then use fixed, position fixed. And you say, I can say this to be top 02. Okay, the context is, for instance, okay, what I do is, we'll see that in a different example. Okay, we'll see in what context we'll be using all these three guys. So I'll make up an example and I'll show you. But meanwhile, Z index, let's see Z index, what exactly Z index is. So there is one more factor, as I told you, the Z index. Okay, Z index is nothing but, as I told you, let's imagine, you know, right, X Y Z axis. For instance, X Y is like horizontal and vertical, whereas Z is the other direction, which is coming out of it. Like say, if you take this laptop screen, the horizontal is X, the vertical is Y, and what is pointing outwards, whatever that points outwards, is a Z direction. Exactly, this is what the Z index does. Z index is nothing but the top direction, top in the sense towards, facing us. So if I say Z index equal to a positive number, sorry, equal to in the sense, yeah, is equal to a positive number, it means, yeah, 3D, exactly, it means, okay, how to stack it above something else. We'll see what that something is. Okay, and when I say Z index, so you see sometimes bring to front, bring to back, bring forward, bring backward. So it's something like that. The Z index will make the content. We'll just see in a while in the previous examples. So this is Z index. Z index is used to stack. Z index is used to stack the elements one above the other, or vice versa. Okay, if it's a positive number, it means stack above, it means stack below. Okay, so now let's go back to this example here. Now you can see here this guy, okay, this guy is hiding beyond our fixed, right? Is hiding behind our blue color, our cyan colored fixed guy. Now what I want to do is, like, I want to push this fixed to the back side and I want to bring this guy front. Okay, so for that, what I say is, I have fixed here, I'll say Z index -1. Okay, so if I say -1, okay, yeah, go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry. So you did not miss anything. I'm just saying, this I want to make the background, this guy, to come forward, or this guy to be pushed back. Okay, so what I have done is like I have given a z index -1 to fixed. So what does -1 do? I said z index -1 to the fixed guy. So what does it do? What does z index -1 do to the fixed? Zoom in. Okay, yeah, let's see. So I refresh. Now you can see what happened is the fixed guy is gone back now, and the other content is showing up. Okay, see